Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, they're definitely gonna love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, we're going to the Brady Bunch house in North Hollywood, California. Now, I am so excited because the Brady Bunch is such a classic TV show, and I'm so excited that I actually get to see the house in person. So without any further ado, let's go to North Hollywood and check out the Brady Bunch house. We are now on our way to the Brady Bunch house in North Hollywood, California. However, I have to say that North Hollywood looks exactly like Beverly Hills right here. This street is totally giving that famous Beverly Hills street a run for its money because look how picturesque this looks. Now, I'm not just in North Hollywood, I will actually be going through the canyon pretty soon. We will have some traffic to get through the hill. However, I have to say that I'm not even mad at it because again, like these trees, 100% amazing. This is totally like tropical vibes. Like I honestly feel like I'm in Hawaii right now. Driving through the neighborhood, we can see the beautiful homes, and these homes are so spectacular and just so gorgeous. Totally giving like the right kind of vibes, and honestly, very quiet neighborhood too. I'm very surprised because I thought North Hollywood would be a little bit more different. We're now about to go through the hills and the canyon, and we have a good 28 minutes to get through it. So let's go for it. So I am driving to the Brady Bunch house right now, which I'm so excited for. Right now, I'm currently in traffic. There is one lane, and well, we are not going anywhere, so I am just sitting here in traffic. But I have 27 minutes away to the Brady Bunch house, which I am so excited for. Marsha, Marsha, Marsha.
Well, all I hear all day long at school is how great Marcia is at this or how wonderful Marcia did that. Marcia, Marcia, Marcia.
So excited to go. I cannot wait, actually. But this is going to be really exciting. It is kind of getting like sunset, so I'm hoping it's a good time. But I am just in North Hollywood, so it's not too far from anything. So, you know, that would be great. So I'm excited, but let's go to the Brady Bunch house. All right, everyone. So we are now arriving to the Brady Bunch house. And this is so cool and so iconic. I will be passing it in the car at first, and then finding parking soon. But this is so cool. So this is the neighborhood. Here are some of like what the houses look like. Now, weirdly, it's right next to like the like alley turnpike thing, like the river system. So that's weird. That's interesting. Got some apartments. Wow. So the Brady Bunch house is like right next to apartments? Wow. You would literally never think that. That's so insane. Now that I'm parked, I'm walking back up the hill, and again, you can't see that like that weird like I don't know what it is, like a bayou is right behind the house, and it's just so awkward that that's right there. But scrolling up, I am on the actual blog. I'm so excited. It's like right behind this bush. Hey everyone, so we are here at the Brady Bunch house, and I am so excited to show you. It's so cute, and just like going anywhere that is like, you know, like from like a TV show, it's just so cool and like surreal in all honesty. But without any further ado, let's check out the Brady Bunch house. Walking up to the house, this is honestly so crazy. Now, this show was a little bit before my time. However, you know, growing up in the 90s, when you're watching like the Powerpuff Girls and SpongeBob SquarePants, it was always a mix that like Brady Bunch would randomly like pop on the television as well. So I've seen like nearly like every episode, though I can't really remember. All I really remember is the classic scene, Marsha, 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 and how like cute is that? Now, I actually remember that I really loved Alice. Alice was really, really amazing, and I think she was honestly like my favorite. Now, this house was actually built in 1959, but a couple years ago, somebody did purchase it and they did renovate it to where it's exactly like the show inside. And I believe you can actually do tours, but not just that, they actually went out of their way to purchase the exact car from the show. So, how cool is that? Like, if you are a major fan of the show, this is so perfect for you. And it's just so beautiful. Now, the street that this is on is called Clump Avenue, and I think that's kind of funny just because, like, it's just kind of, it's just a weird word, clump. But it's very, very pretty, beautiful neighborhood, nice, quiet, Everybody is walking their dogs, and to be honest, I wonder like how the neighbors feel about it. Do they get a lot of traffic or do they not get a lot of traffic? I must say that I love the fact that this just had a giant privacy hedge right here because it's exactly like the Menendez brothers' house. So as you know, I did go to the Menendez brothers mansion and they have a hedge exactly like this when I did their house tour. So definitely check out that video, it'll be linked right above and in the description below. But walking past the house, I'm like, oh my god, yay, look, I'm actually on the property. This is so cool. And wow, actually, how amazing is this? Now, personally, I really do want like a giant family. I would love to have like 5 or 6 kids. It would be so perfect. And maybe one day I will have my own little Brady bunch. However, stay tuned where I do make my way up north and I do go to Pasadena where we do go to the one and only Michael Myers house. Yep, that's right. Michael Myers from Halloween. I'm so excited for a lot of my California vlogs to be coming out, so definitely stay tuned. I have to say that the house itself is so cool. It literally looks exactly like the photos, and the fact that it was built in 1959 and it's still there today is just so crazy. Now, of course, it's still going to be there because it's part of a classic hit TV show, but a lot of shows, like the houses that they film at, do get knocked down a lot of the time. So the fact that this is still here, I'm really surprised by it. Also very surprised that the backyard is actually like a bayou, or maybe it's called like a riverbed where like the water goes through. Such like an unexpected fact to like have that in their backyard. You would never like imagine that from the show. Also like a freeway. You can see and hear the freeway from the backyard too. So that's also something very random. But I love, love, love the show. I actually always remembered Marsha when she broke her nose, the classic My Nose episode.
Hey, you guys. Oh, my nose! Marcia!
So I think that's the one that I do have to say I remember the most. I know that the guy that does own the house, he does do tours of the house. I didn't look into any information of it, but I do know that there is like a tour service where you can go look at the inside. He made it exactly like the show on the inside, so it's really cool. I would like to do that. I would actually like to film a video, so if you guys would like to see me do a tour on it, definitely comment it down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Comment down below what you think about this video, and what was your favorite episode of the Brady Bunch. Again, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it, and you, and have a great day. Au revoir.